yeah. I'm gonna play out here as much as possible. And try and be as smooth as possible. Aileron roll. Gonna come up the road. This thing is awesome, guys. I'm gonna try and do a loop now, John. How'd we do for fuzz outs on that?
No fuzz.
Yeah, I love it. Have to do a loop around the light post. It's one of those things. I'm gonna come up on the south here. Having fun, eating a little space up. I'm gonna come up the road. Gonna do another loop.
Smart is mad.
Yes. Smart is very conservative. And I can adjust those settings, guys. We can adjust those settings, but I'm on the default with everything. And that's how I like to demonstrate stuff, is by default. I don't like to mod stuff. Dude, this is just such a nice flying plane. And yes, I am using rudders to snap it around like that. This thing has enough thrust to keep it in the air just fine. I really do not want to land it. I still got a little time. I'm gonna rip it.
Rip it.
Alright, I'm gonna set up to land. And as you guys can probably see, the local fire department is in the background. And no, it's not because of a lipo fire. It's because they're doing some training. Yeah.
Greasy.
Flew it all the way to the ground. And I adjusted the rudder throw down to, I believe, either 85 or 90%. 100%, it was way too twitchy on the surface. All right, guys, with all that being said, actually, you know what? Never mind. Let's take a look at We've got 11.4 volts. This is, if you roll the wheel here, this will tell you what's up. I had the min and max volts. Started 12.6. The lowest, when it was yelling at me, got down to 10.6. And 283,510 RPM. Those little screaming memes were yelling like crazy. Alright, I think that's it. For John VHRC, GBLynden, out.